Yeah, I'm gonna come right here this morning and oh, I got a package. Mike! Okay, so we're gonna test it out right now. So this is out of the box.
So you have, if you want to mute the mic, or this is the noise cancellation, and this is the smart switch, and that's the batteries. Hi guys,
Hi guys,
I'm Lati, and you are?
Anaya.
Hi Anaya, how are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay, are you going to comb your hair today?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm gonna be young and pretty and put beads in there.
Okay.
Ayada, beads.
People them, mommy did that kiss me on my hip. But don't decide on the don't tell your mom say you want your mom to kiss you on your hip. I'm a bad girl, so you don't know what it happened.
Love you too.
One. I have one. 100.
Hey guys, today is wash day, and we're about to wash my hair and do a little unboxing before we do our hair. This is the first one.
And this is the first one.
Hello. This is the first one.
Mighty God.
What we're gonna do for wash day today, we're gonna dye my hair, do a ACV rinse, a ACV mask with this, and wash. Then we do a deep condition. Then we blow dry, and then followed by a style. I think the style is gonna be in part 2. Come, let me show them your ear, baby. Come here, let me show them your ear. Your nice clean ear where your eardresser is. Me, by the way, the eardresser is me, moi. Stand up right here. Yeah. Hold on your head. Hold on your head. Yeah. And on the next side. Thank you. Alright. So, wait. Never mind.
Oh my God, I did not know. Mommy did not open.
Wait. So this is the hair dye that we're going to use today. It is also a promo video, so I'm going to have to do a promo for this. So that is why I'm using it. That is my first time using it, so I'm going to do a product review. Cheese Chicks Mighty. So this is the Bounce Me Curl Mousse. So this is the Bounce Me Curl Enhancer. So you have Curl Enhancer and you have a Curl Mousse. Alright, so this is the Biotin Multivitamin. You cannot believe this.
What? No, in the.
You have like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 gummies.
What?
14 gummies.
What? There's
And you're supposed to take 2 per day. So I guess I'm going to turn Rapunzel in 7 days. Got to be kidding me. Thick hair starting in 3 weeks, but you sent me a 7-day.
So, hey guys, I'm taking my medicine. I said take it, but I'm gonna take it right now. Now I do this poison there, pour some in there, and then now drink it. Tastes so good. Give me some of that.
No.
Please, give me some of that.
Nope. Alright, so we're going to put our Indian clay mask in here. So we're going to start with the clay. Alright guys, here's the final product.
From the first moment I saw you, I knew I had to make you mine.
All done. So now we wait for 30 minutes. Wait for 30 minutes and then we rinse. What is that? Can I have a kiss?
No.
Ma.
Hey guys, this is Lati from the future. Yeah, so this is me deep conditioning my hair. I did the wash, but I did it off camera. I did it for a TikTok video and YouTube short, so you'll see that as a short. Yeah, so after this segment right here, after this deep conditioning segment, I will do a blowout. A blowout, yeah. So guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. I love you. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.
Wanted to know everything about you. I didn't want to waste no time. What's something I can do for you, darling, that would make you smile? I'll bring you flowers, girl.
Hey guys, today we're going to blow dry my hair and then we're going to comb my hair, okay?
Morning comes too early, hands already warm, working for a better day, trying to keep me warm.